Aging is not just about time. It's about cell damage, inflammation, and worn-out repair systems. These foods target the exact mechanisms that make cells age. They work because biology responds to specific molecules. Aging changes when the body receives the right signals. Blueberries. Blueberries contain anthocyanins. These molecules reduce inflammation and protect cells from oxidative stress. It happens when antioxidants neutralize free radicals before they damage DNA. They are often used in aging research because their antioxidant density is unusually high. Blueberries act like tiny bodyguards, stepping in before trouble even starts. Salmon. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 reduces chronic inflammation and supports brain health. It occurs when cell membranes become more flexible and resilient. Its fatty acids are incorporated directly into brain tissue, improving long-term cell function. Salmon works like a brain mechanic, keeping the system running smoother than it should at your age. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and chard contain lutein and folate. These nutrients protect mitochondria, the cell's energy producers. More efficient mitochondria slow the cellular aging process. They also support DNA repair, which becomes slower as the body ages. Leafy greens behave like a cellular electrician, keeping the power lines stable when everything else slows down. Avocados. Avocados contain healthy fats and glutathione. Glutathione is defined as a master antioxidant. It helps detoxify cells and repair oxidative damage. Its fats increase the absorption of other antioxidants eaten alongside it. Avocados act like a nutrient amplifier, turning a normal meal into something your cells actually cheer for. Green tea. Green tea contains EGCG. EGCG activates pathways that repair damaged cells. It's the tendency to support longevity by boosting cellular cleanup processes. Its compounds also stabilize blood sugar, which reduces aging-related metabolic stress. Green tea works like a quiet cleanup crew, the kind that leaves everything better than they found it. Nuts. Almonds, walnuts, and hazelnuts provide vitamin E and omega-3. Vitamin E protects cell membranes from aging. One handful supports cardiovascular health and long-lived cells. Their minerals support nerve function, which declines gradually with age. Nuts are like tiny armor pieces, snapping into place exactly where your cells need reinforcement. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin. Curcumin reduces inflammation and slows cellular degeneration. It occurs when curcumin blocks pathways that accelerate aging. It also protects the brain by reducing inflammatory molecules linked to cognitive decline. Turmeric acts like an internal firefighter, showing up before the smoke turns into a blaze. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate contains flavanols. Flavanols improve blood flow and protect neurons. A small amount activates antioxidant defenses much faster than most people expect. Its compounds also support nitric oxide production, which keeps blood vessels flexible. Dark chocolate behaves like a miniature power switch, giving your system a quick spark of efficiency. Olive oil. Olive oil contains polyphenols and monounsaturated fats. These compounds strengthen cell membranes and support heart health. It is defined as a core element of diets linked to longevity. Its antioxidants reduce oxidative stress in the bloodstream, protecting arteries. Olive oil functions like a smooth, protective coating, keeping the machinery from wearing down too fast. Fermented foods. Yogurt, kimchi, and kefir support the gut microbiome. Gut bacteria regulate immunity, inflammation, and nutrient absorption. Better microbiome function slows multiple aging pathways. They also produce short-chain fatty acids which support colon health and immune balance. Fermented foods act like a team of microscopic trainers, teaching your gut how to stay in shape. How these foods reverse aging. Aging accelerates when inflammation rises. It accelerates when oxidative damage accumulates. It accelerates when mitochondria slow down. These foods reduce each factor at the same time. This combination creates a multi-layered defense that slows aging on several biological levels at once. Cell protection and repair. Mitochondria weaken with age. Omega-3, folate, and polyphenols strengthen their membranes. This increases energy production and slows cellular decline. Aging reduces collagen in skin and joints. Vitamin C and amino acids support collagen repair. Leafy greens and berries supply these building blocks. Skin ages through sun damage and collagen loss. Antioxidants repair UV damage. Antioxidants neutralize reactive oxygen species. These molecules accumulate with age. They damage DNA, proteins, and membranes. Antioxidants slow this damage and improve cell survival. Together, these mechanisms keep tissues functional for longer and delay visible aging. Inflammation and immune regulation. Brain cells age through inflammation and oxidative stress. Omega-3, flavonols, and EGCC protect neurons. This supports memory, focus, and long-term cognitive health. Chronic inflammation accelerates aging. Curcumin, omega-3, and antioxidants reduce inflammation markers. This slows aging throughout the body. The gut microbiome influences immune function. Fermented foods help maintain this balance. The immune system weakens with age. Inflammation rises and response time slows. Anti-inflammatory foods keep immune cells more stable. This improves resilience across the lifespan. Lower inflammation allows repair systems to function more effectively and prevents accelerated decline. Metabolism, hormones, and energy. Some foods regulate hormones linked to aging. Healthy fats support hormone production. Antioxidants prevent hormone disruption by oxidative stress. Healthy fats stabilize blood sugar. This prevents advanced aging caused by metabolic breakdown. Younger cells produce energy efficiently. Older cells lose this ability. Nutrients that protect mitochondria preserve energy production. This directly slows physical and cognitive aging. Stable metabolism reduces internal stress signals that speed up the aging process. Synergy and dietary patterns. Some foods work better together. Healthy fats increase absorption of antioxidants. Probiotics improve nutrient uptake. Flavonols improve blood flow to deliver nutrients faster. Regions with long-lived populations use similar ingredients. They consume nuts, greens, olive oil, and fermented foods daily. Modern research confirms nutrient-driven aging control. Certain molecules activate longevity pathways. These include AMPK, autophagy, and antioxidant systems. Food becomes a natural signal that switches these pathways on. These patterns show that longevity emerges from repeated interactions between nutrients and biology. Practical use and realistic impact. These foods do not stop aging completely. They slow the rate of decline. They help the body repair itself more efficiently. Aging is shaped by daily habits. Small food choices compound over years. This describes how diet becomes a long-term longevity tool. Food cannot reverse deep genetic aging. It cannot eliminate all environmental stress. It cannot replace sleep, hydration, and physical activity. It slows the processes that drive visible and internal aging. These foods fit into many meals. They work in smoothies, salads, teas, or simple snacks. Long-term consistency determines how strongly these foods influence biological aging. Takeaway: aging is not fixed, it changes with nutrition. The right foods slow cellular decline. The right molecules activate repair. Small daily choices shape how the body ages. Cellular aging responds to long-term patterns, not single decisions. Nutrient-rich foods support systems that weaken over time. Consistent intake reinforces the body's natural defenses. Longevity becomes the result of repeated signals that guide cells towards stability. If you liked this video, subscribe for more like this.